Very controversial thing I'm going to say. If you're comfortable every second of your life, you're probably not growing. Think about it for a second. Most of us spend our entire lives chasing comfort. I get it. I'm 57 years old. Comfortable, easy job, very easy routine. My thing is a comfortable chair, a comfortable excuse. And before you know it, comfort has quietly become a prison. Hear me out. I know, because I lived there for years in my comfortable prison. Comfortable doing the same things every day. Comfortable eating like a drunken rich teenager. Comfortable drinking. Blaming everyone else but me. Comfortable telling myself, I'll start tomorrow, it'll be okay. Wasn't a good life. Just familiar. Sometimes familiar feels safer than change for sure. One little problem. Nothing grows inside a comfort zone, nothing. You got the sun covered, no fertilizers. Not your health, not your relationship, not your finances, certainly not your confidence. Everything I have accomplished over the last couple of years started with doing something I absolutely hated doing. Getting out of bed at 3 o'clock every morning, walking when I was overweight, out of breath, couldn't walk to the damn mailbox, saying no to foods that I absolutely loved, stopping drinking, posting these dang videos when I knew people were gonna laugh, and they did. Starting over at 57, when a lot of people were like, your best years are behind you. None of that stuff felt comfortable, none of it. But every single one of them made my life better. Here's what I've learned. Your comfort zone whispers, stay here. The AC is on, it's safe. What it's really saying, don't grow. Because growth requires uncertainty. Growth requires risk. Growth requires doing things before you feel ready. You don't become confident and then take action. That's not how it works. You take action and then confidence comes from that. If I had waited until I was comfortable, I'd still be 300 pounds, smoking and drinking, insulin dependent. 100% all of that is the truth. I'd still be having a t-shirt that said, King of Excuses. Instead, I chose temporary discomfort. I've wiped my head 10 times in this. It's freaking hot. I chose discomfort to change my life. Today, please ask yourself this one question. As your comfort, has it become your prison? Your future isn't waiting on the other side of comfort sitting on the couch. That's for damn sure. It's waiting on the other side of courage. If you're ready to stop settling and start growing, please type I'm in the comments. I'm an accountability coach, and I walk alongside of people and keep them accountable. Hit me with a DM if you feel like you'd like to talk to somebody about how to rebuild your life. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.